Okay, the next point of this topic is industry. Industry is nothing but production of products, or industry is a type of business activity where a input is converted into output. Input means what? See, I will give you an example. While doing the practicals in first year, okay, we have prepared granules. Okay, from the granules we can prepare tablets. So input is nothing but the raw materials we have used, that is paracetamol, calcium lactate, sodium bicarbonate. These are the chemicals. Then we have used sieves. Okay, we have used hot air oven machines, and ultimate product is the granules, and from the granules we can prepare the tablets. So same thing will happen in industry. Industry, the inputs are same: raw materials, manpower, machines, methods, and ultimate the output is the product. So industry is basically classified into four types according to the types of good produced, according to the size and investment, according to the capital employed, and official classification of industry. First, according to the types of good produced, it is subdivided into four types: extractive industries, genetic industries, construction industries, and manufacturing industries. Extractive industries. Extractive industry means what? If the industry is said to be extractive, if the industry is engaged in extracting the product from the soil, water, or air. Okay, see example fishing. Okay, ॲग्रिकल्चर की शेती करणं पण हे एक्स्ट्रॅक्टिव्ह आहे. फिशिंग मिनिंग कोळशाच्या खाणी, पण मिनिंग इंडस्ट्री म्हणतो कोळशाच्या खाणी. ओके, दॅट इज अ एक्स्ट्रॅक्टिव्ह इंडस्ट्रीज. So industry is said to be extractive industry if the industries are engaged in extracting the products from the soil, water, or air. Then it is called as extractive industries. Genetic industry means what? Genetic, if the industries are engaged in multiplying the certain species of plants or animals. Example, poultry or breeding. कुक्कुटपालन आपण जेव्हा म्हणतो तेव्हा that is called as genetic industries. Next is construction industries. Construction means what? If an industry is said to be a construction industry, if it is engaged in constructing the roads, dams, that is called as construction. Manufacturing industry means what? They convert the raw materials into the final product. Okay, manufacturing industries, the industry is said to be manufacturing industry if they are engaged in converting the raw materials into the final product. Manufacturing industries are further divided into four types: analytical industries, synthetic industries, processing industries, and assembly line industries. We will see one by one. Analytical industry. Analytical industry means what? Industry is said to be analytical industry if they are engaged in separating the different elements of the same material. एकाच मटेरियल मधून दोन एलिमेंट सेपरेट करणे. तुम्ही कधी क्रोमॅटोग्राफी ऐकला असेल. क्रोमॅटोग्राफीमध्ये काय करतो आपण की एकाच जर मटेरियलमध्ये दोन नवीन एलिमेंट्स असतील तर ते शोधायचं काम कोण करतं? ॲनालिटिकल इंडस्ट्रीज. सो ॲनालिटिक इंडस्ट्रीचं काम काय आहे? इट सेपरेट्स द डिफरंट एलिमेंट्स फ्रॉम द सेम मटेरियल. सिंथेटिक इंडस्ट्रीचं काम काय? सिंथेटिक इंडस्ट्रीचं काम काय? जे दोन कॉम्बिनेशन्स घेतात आणि त्यापासून नवीन प्रोडक्ट तयार करतात. ओके, सिंथेटिक व्हॉट दे डज? सिंथेटिक इंडस्ट्री, they use the combination of products to make a new design or molecule or new product, that is called as synthetic industries. Processing industry म्हणजे काय? प्रोसेसिंग सेम. प्रोसेसिंग म्हणजे काय? ते प्रोसेस करतात रॉ मटेरियलचं कन्वर्जन फायनल प्रोडक्टमध्ये. What the processing industry does they convert the raw materials into the final products. And assembly line means what, they use the different parts and they prepare or make a new design or new product. Example, cars, the various parts of vehicles, they from using different parts they can make a new vehicle or manufacture the new product. So these are the various images of the industries. Understood what? So first, extractive industry मध्ये काय करतात, they extract the products from the soil, water or air. Example, fishing, mining or agriculture. Genetic industry means what? Genetic industry मध्ये काय करतात, they multiply the certain species of plants or animals. Example, poultry. Construction industry means what? They construct the roads or dams. Manufacturing industry, they convert the raw materials into the final product. Analytical industries, they are engaged in separating the different elements from the same material. Synthetic industries, they use the combination of materials to make a new product. Processing, they convert the raw materials into the final product. Assembly lines, they use the different parts of the machines to make a new product. That is called as assembly line. Okay, next, according to the size and investment. Okay, according to the size and investment, the industry is classified into small scale, medium scale, large scale industries. Small scale, if industry is said to be small scale industry if the investment of this industry is between 25 lakhs in plants and machineries. Okay, कधी म्हणतो आपण स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्री जर त्यांचे इन्व्हेस्टमेंट 25 लॅक्स कशामध्ये, प्लांट्स आणि मशिनरीजमध्ये. मीडियम स्केल म्हणजे काय, जर त्यांचे इन्व्हेस्टमेंट 2 करोड्स असेल कशामध्ये, प्लांट्स अँड मशिनरीजमध्ये. ओके, लार्ज स्केल industry is said to be large scale if the investment of the industry is in between 50 crores. Okay, 25 lakhs, 2 crores and 50 crore. Small scale ला किती, 25 lakhs. Medium scale ला किती, 2 crores. Large scale ला किती, 50 crores. Okay, these are industry based on the size and investment. Capital employed. Okay, capital employed means what, this industry, okay, based upon the how many workers are working in there, what is the cost of machinery and tools used. Depending upon these points, the industry are classified according to the capital employed. Capital means money. Money is invested in the industry depending upon how many workers are working in the industry, which type of machinery or what is the cost of machinery and tools we are using in the industry. Depending upon that, capital employed. Okay, and last is official classification of industry. Government has divided various industry upon various types, that is drugs and pharmaceuticals and medical and surgicals. Surgical industries are different and pharmaceutical industries are different. So this is the classification of industry. Okay, remember industry is classified into mainly 4 types of good produced, size and investment, capital employed and official classification of industry. Types of good produced मध्ये extractive, genetic, construction, manufacturing. Extractive म्हणजे काय, extracting the product from the soil, water, air. Genetic means they are engaged in multiplying certain species of plants or animals, example poultry. Construction means they are engaged in constructing road, dams. Manufacturing म्हणजे काय करतात? They convert the raw materials into the final product. मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंगचे 4 टाइप्स कुठले? ॲनालिटिकल, सिंथेटिक, प्रोसेसिंग, असेंबली. ॲनालिटिकल म्हणजे काय? They are engaged in separating different elements from the same material. एकाच मटेरियलमधून 2 डिफरंट एलिमेंट्स सेपरेट करायचं. सिंथेटिकमध्ये काय? कॉम्बिनेशन यूज करतात प्रोडक्ट. दे यूज व्हेरियस कॉम्बिनेशन टू मेक अ न्यू प्रोडक्ट. प्रोसेसिंगमध्ये काय करतात? दे कन्वर्ट द रॉ मटेरियल्स इंटू द फायनल प्रोडक्ट. असेंब्ली लाईन म्हणजे काय? ते पार्ट्स यूज करतात मशीनचे वगैरे वेगवेगळे टूल्स तयार करायला. स्मॉल स्केल 25 lakhs, medium scale 2 crores and large scale 50 crores. And capital employed depending upon the worker employed and machinery and tools used. Classification of industry, official classification. There are government has decided to separate the industry depending upon the drugs and pharmaceuticals and medical and surgicals. Okay, remember this, and I will provide you notes of the DSBM. You have to write in the notebook and send it to my mail ID. Thank you.